In the last section here of 22, going through the same process. We're looking at the unit circle. Remember, this is something you'll have to have memorized so that you can jot it down on your paper and work from there. Right now we have it in front of us, which makes this a little quicker and easier. On M, we are doing secant. Remember, secant is really 1 over cosine. Okay, we're doing secant of negative 5 pi over 4. So again, we're working in a clockwise direction. 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4 gets us to 180 degrees. Negative 5 pi over 4 is really 3 pi over 4. And we want cosine, which is negative square root of 2 over 2, but we want the reciprocal of that because we're looking at secant. So what we're going to get is negative 2 over square root of 2, and then we're going to have to rationalize. Multiply top and bottom by square root of 2 over 2, and what we get is negative 2 square root of 2 over 2, and then we know that those 2's divide out, and we get just negative square root of 2. Now that was our answer for M. For N, we're looking at cotangent. I'm going to put this answer, pull this answer down over here. Cotangent, remember, is cosine over sine. Now we're going to first go to 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 in the positive direction or counterclockwise allows us to get, we have cosine is negative square root of 3 over 2, and sine is 1/2. Cosine, remember, would be negative in the second quadrant. Again, our 2's cancel out here or divide out, and we end up with negative square root of 3 as our answer. Moving on to O, we're looking at cosecant. Remember, cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine function. So we're going to be looking at the y value and taking its reciprocal. Now we're going to 4 pi over 3 on the circle, which is first 3 pi over 3, then 4 pi over 3. That gets us to 240 degrees. Our sine value there is negative square root of 3 over 2. And we want the reciprocal of that. So that's going to be equal to negative 2 over square root of 3. Again, rationalize. And we end up with negative 2 square root of 3 over 3.